again. See you again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing the quick release setup on John's K-Swap NC. So I'm hoping this is going to be pretty simple, but I have not done this on an NC before, so I guess we will find out. Let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so there is two of these little covers, one on each side. I already took the other side off. You'll just take those off, and there is the bolts right underneath. Feel like I'm definitely gonna drop this bolt in here right now, as suspected. Okay, attempt number 2 on this side, and let's hope that I don't drop the bolt in the steering wheel again. Really predicted that was gonna happen. There we go. We're having fun. This is fun. Okay, here we go. Part 2. Let's not do it again. Let's not do it again. This is fun. Okay. Let's hope. This time will be better. Ah, success. Okay. Yay. Okay, this side still really feels stuck. I wonder if it's because that bolt is wedged somewhere it shouldn't be. Okay, I think this should just pull out now. Boom, that was easy. Smart thing to do is probably going to be to disconnect the battery before you do this. So, just warning you. I really hope these just pop up. There's 1, 2. I believe this is our horn. Airbag is removed. Next up is the steering wheel itself. There's some more wiring in here, so I'm just gonna disconnect this. That guy in here is important, so definitely don't mess him up. But this is just the wiring. This white plug is just the wiring for all of the cruise control and volume and everything that doesn't matter anymore because this is a race car. Okay, seems a little excessive, but 21 is the size. Okay, got that loose. Let me straighten out the wheel here, and then loosen it a little more. These are fun. This is the part where you make sure to not hit yourself in the face. There we go. Okay, so biggest key to not hitting yourself in the face is leave that nut on. If you've never done one of these before, please, please, please leave the nut on there because you will get it to finally release and then whack yourself in the face. Somehow, I've never done it, but I've heard too many stories about it. Or if this is factory, but this does come with a nylock, so that's good because otherwise I was going to throw a lot of Loctite on here. Let me go grab the replacement hub because I just want to take this off and get that hub immediately on. Okay, so this is the short hub. I always go for the short hub because I am short and I need to be closer to it, but they do have a longer one. I just personally also like the look of the shorter one, but This is the short hub. Okay. Get this nice and straight. Why is this always so stressful to me? This goes in here. My hair's in there already. Okay, that is on. Let's try and get it a little straighter. Okay, so this is a Works bell hub, and they specifically want you to have this gasket go with theirs. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, so there's the quick release connected to the hub, and then you just slip that on there. Okay, so now this is going to be the same concept from the quick release to the wheel. So I'm just going to try and line this up as straight as possible. The logo goes on the top. So yeah, let's just get straight to it, right? I don't know what he wants, but gonna do it all and then we can change it later because he's not here. So gonna use the Mazda logo because I think it's cool, and that's the whole reason why you get the Mazda wheel, right? Okay, here's our bolts. Same thing. I'm gonna put some thread locker on them and then get them in. The simplest way for me to show you guys how I'm doing this, I think, is gonna be actually to change where you are. I think this is going to be our top bolt here. My bolt with some thread locker on here. All right, first one is started. Next up. All right, there is the steering wheel. Now everything is all tightened down, so this really should just snap right on. Boom. And there is our steering wheel and quick release install. That was so easy. I can't believe how easy the steering wheel was on this car to take off. I've had some nightmares. So I'm really glad this was so simple. Okay, now the wheel is all installed and we are one step closer to taking this thing to the track. I am so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you out if you are doing this. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.